Hello, everyone. This is Lucius Hill Jr. here from London Hill Investments. Today, we're going to talk about investing in the stock market and what we see as far as the dollar is concerned in the dollar over the next several years and months. The dollar has been on a roller coaster ride as of late, going steadily down as its progression has hit below the $100 mark compared to the United Kingdom. And what we're seeing is that the dollar is under pressure as the Federal Reserve is starting to take a hawkish approach to counteract a falling dollar. We believe the Fed will start raising interest rates either the next Fed meeting or the beginning of January, February. And we believe the dollar will start to recover for a few months, and then we'll start heading down from there. We believe we could play a falling dollar by going into put options on the dollar. We go into future contracts on the dollar and sell short or buy puts. And I believe by investing in United Kingdom ADR traded stocks that you will benefit well from a falling dollar. Even investing in Germany at this point is a sound financial decision that I have been making. With a falling dollar, the stocks that have dividends in the United Kingdom, in Germany, I've been playing and buying some of those stocks to keep my portfolio well diversified in this time of uncertainty. Another way I think you will benefit from owning these stocks is these stocks are not trading for their highs. They've retreated from their highs. And you can buy them at a lower price than they were trading for a year ago. So let's be active investors, always diversifying our portfolio in these times of uncertainty. I think another thing I like in the market is to buy future contracts of a falling dollar. It may require a little bit more money than buying a stock outright or a margin, but the payoff is normally higher by playing futures compared to what you put up to invest. I believe by going into these companies for a long-term basis for the next 6-7 years, I think I could triple to quadruple my money in some of these stocks and still collect the dividend. Our days of getting relatively higher returns in the stock market is starting to come to an end. And right now, I think by getting like a 10 to 15% return in the stock. We're calling that a very upward momentum play. I believe in 3 more years, there's going to be a raging bull stock market. But for the next 2 to 3 years, you're going to see a relatively downward stock market occurring after this last bull market over the next 6 months. So let's start buying some of those international companies like I've been doing. And let's play the market and get some of that international exposure. Other countries that I like to invest in is the 4 Asian tigers, like Thailand, Malaysia, Taiwan, and Korea, South Korea. We believe these countries are going to outpace the United States in a generation of upward momentum in the stock markets. Another good way to play this is by going into ETFs and mutual funds of an ETF fund that you could get along with, or a mutual fund that you could get along with. It's not going to give away all your money. So let's be active investors and let's start diversifying as the U.S. market begins to unravel in the next 6 months. This is Lucius Hill Jr. signing out. Let's put people and investing first, God second, things and family third. This is Lucius Hill Jr. fighting for the small investor and the professional investor to strengthen your portfolio.